Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. To protect our files, we can add them into an archive and set a password. But how to remove password from zip file? Set PassFab for zip to recover zip password. Add your encrypted zip file. Select one password recovery method. Add your frequently used passwords if you select dictionary attack. Set possible password range if you select brute force with mask attack. Or select brute force attack if you can't remember anything. Click Start. Your password will be displayed here later. Copy it to extract your file.